Okay guys, so I'm about to install a 613 wig from BeautyForeverHair as seen in the intro little clip pics, and I'm so excited because this is my very first time with 613 hair, so I cannot wait to install her. This is me about to unbox this hair. So this is the box from Beauty Forever. Inside is the wig. Also inside the box I have a cap like I have on my head, a little floral headband. It is like an adjustable headband strap to lay that wig, you know, the baby hairs, all that good stuff. A satin bonnet and some lashes. So I'm not gonna waste any time. I'm just gonna go ahead and start this install. I won't be doing much to this hair because I don't know, I'm not about to say Thursday hair. But of course I have been doing some research. This is the wig inside the box. It is in 24 inches, so body wave texture. Oh my goodness, she's beautiful. I'm not going to tone it. I'm going to keep it the color that it is. I actually think it came a little toned. It has like that Goldilocks color. With me looking at it right now, it's not yellow. It's like a very kind of like cream, and I like that. I like how that's doing. The only thing I'm going to be doing is using my Ebin lace tint to tint this lace, and I'm going to put her on my head. To make this wig easier to install, I just parted down the middle. To install this wig, I will be using a little bit of my Gots to Be for underneath, but then on top I'll be spraying my Ebin. So I'm just going to dab her along. And then in front of the Gots to Be, I'll be using my Ebin lace wig adhesive. If I can get it out. Just use that right in front. I did this combo once and it worked pretty good. So, did not need that much, people. I know that's not tacky, but to get the ball moving. For the top layer, I'll be spraying my Ebin. Let's let that melt with this band. We're gonna put it under because while that melts, I style. It's giving, I'm a black Barbie. But what else? I actually lied. I'm not going to style it until after it dries. So I'll be back when it's dry. Oh, okay. Okay guys, so I'm gonna let this sit for a second. I'm gonna come back and curl the baby hairs, lightly curl this hair, and that'll be it for this install. So I'm gonna hop in the shower really quickly while this sit, and I'll be right back. Thank you so much to BeautyForeverHair for this beautiful 613 wig. All the information on this hair will be in the description box, so please feel free to check it out. Blondie. Very quick install, easy install. My first time. I think I did all right. You know, you can always tone it if you want to, but I just kept it how it was so I can have a quick install. And yeah, this is the results.